we're gonna take out this big fir tree right here. Check it out. Yeah, that one. Because it's so close to our footings right here. Well guys, there's another slight delay in what we're doing here. We got the strings all laid out properly, and it looks like we've got plenty of room to put our forms for our footers. But we've been thinking about this tree right here. You guys have probably been thinking the same thing. It's a little close to the house. So today is a firewood day. So let's see if this guy's gonna start. Cold start, hasn't been started in a few days. We primed it. Not looking good. Ooh. Perfect. Went and helped some of our friends from church move into their new house. We're back. Check out the weather again, guys. It's so crazy. Nice and warm this morning. Now we got Jules on the chainsaw. Now we got Brittany on the saw. We're seeking shelter in the shed because now it is raining good and hailing. I don't know if you can see the hail. Okay, Brittany's gonna get us some. Oh yeah, there we go. There you go.
So crazy.
Our first Idaho hail.
Yeah.
Our bathroom got a little bit blown around, but it's doing pretty good. Just the sides. Huh. But we got those trees down right there. We got some little trees down over here. And then hopefully tonight Gary's gonna come and we're gonna push this one over with his backhoe. How'd you like the thunder?
He preferred to be inside the car. Where it was dry and warm.
Gary came by this morning and we're gonna take out this big fir tree right here. Check it out. Yeah, that one. Because it's so close to our footings right here, it's gonna be hard to remove that stump later. So he's going to come in and he's gonna cut right here with the backhoe, then he'll go to the other side and cut with it, and then he'll drive over from the other side and push it over. Hopefully we don't get squished. So we cut the roots on both sides and we tried to push it over, but it wouldn't go. So it looks like there's still a root on the house side of the tree that needs to be cut, and then he should be able to push it over. Tree is down. Now we're gonna go ahead and limb it up. We're gonna cut it. Gary wants to use a section of it for a post on a pole barn he's building, or a pole lean-to thing. And we're gonna get some firewood out of it too, I bet.
So we're gonna get up here and measure out different sections and then chop it up into smaller pieces, because this is one long and heavy fir. That's a nice tree. How long of sections are you doing?
12-foot sections.
12 foot. They're gonna raise it up so it makes it easier to cut. Doesn't pinch the wood.
So now we're gonna pick up the logs that we cut. Gary's gonna end up taking them home at some time to mill them into wood, but and then we're gonna get the stump out of the way here.
Yeah, that's a really big stump. Like a big old ball of roots. Wow, that's awesome, huh?
Yeah, that's cool.
So he's just gonna move them for right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's so neat. I didn't know it opened up like that.
All right, here's the stump coming out. Look at that guy. It's big. I better back up. Oh, crashed. Well, our stump pile is definitely growing. Look at this thing. It's huge.